Let's start off with how to configure these things on our platform. So I'm using one of the bots that I have built during my basic sessions. So that was a banking assistant I had taken up for my basic training sessions. So you can see over here in this particular task, in this particular bot, I have 3 tasks which are already configured. So one is the open account, one is the check balance, and the other is the report issue. So talking about templates, our platform gives you certain pre-built templates which you can apply as a developer. You can apply those templates on the messages and prompts of the confirmation node, message node, or the entity nodes. The way to apply those templates are: you go to a particular dialog task, and let's say I have a list of items over here. So this entity is a list of items, and when we are talking to the bot, you will see if you are enabling the display of the list of items. Okay, so if I say over here open account, you will see it comes in a predefined format. That is, it comes up, the options come up one after the other. But let's say I want to change this display, and I want these to come one beside the other as 2 separate buttons. One is for savings and one is for checking. So how do I change the layout of the options that are getting displayed? Okay, here we can use the different templates that are available for a web channel. Now, all these templates are available for the web channel. So when you are displaying a particular option, you want to enable a particular template, remember, you have to select the channel as the web channel. So this is the channel on which we apply the templates. Once you select the channel, change over to JavaScript, because these templates are available as JavaScript codes. Okay, and then from the select template option, you can see the list of templates which are available. So you can see all of these, like button templates, quick reply templates, table template. So if you want something in the table format, with columns and also, you can apply the table template over there. Table template mini. So they will have a header row, under that a few rows, again a header row, under that a few rows. So that is a mini table template that we have. List template will look something like, by default you can see for the list of items, that is the list template. Other than that, you can have bar chart, you can have pie chart, line chart, or carousel template. So all of those templates are available. So all you need to do as a developer is select the type of template that you want to apply here. So let's say here I want to apply a quick replies template, which will give me the buttons one beside the other, choices one beside the other. So the moment you select that and you enlarge your screen, you will see the platform provides you with the code of that particular template. This code is in JavaScript. As a developer, what you need to do is provide the values to be displayed through this particular template. Okay, so you can see in quick replies, 3 choices are there. So I have 2 choices right now. So I put the 2 choices are savings, and you can see the next choice that I have is checking. So these are the 2 options I want to display through this particular template. Okay. The template type, you can see the type is template, the template type is quick replies, and text is what will be displayed, the text that will be displayed above the 2 choices. Okay. So something like, select your account type. Okay, so that is the text, and what will be displayed in those buttons, and if the user clicks on that, what is the choice, that what will be the response that will be returned back from this particular template, because it is an entity node which we are using over here. So that means if the user clicks on the savings button, the value of savings should be stored within that particular entity. Similarly, if the user clicks on the checking button, the value of checking should be stored within the entity. So it is not only what you're displaying on that particular choice, but if the user selects that choice, what is the value that will be returned to that particular entity. So what will be displayed is your title, and what will be returned if the user selects that choice is the payload. Okay, so here you can see the title is picked up from this array. So in this array we have put two labels over here, savings and checking. So using a for loop, it is picking up one label at a time from this predefined array that you have and using it as the label. My design is that if the user clicks on savings, then the entity should hold the value of savings. Okay, so to keep it simple, we just copy this and we return it as the payload. So whatever is displayed in the choice, if the user selects that, that will be the return value. Okay, if it is something other than that, then you need to have an if condition, something like that, and select that if the user is selecting this, then this is the return value. That means the payload is this. If the user selects that, then the payload is that. So you need to create a if else kind of a condition for that. But here, just to keep it simple, what I've done is whatever is displayed, if the user selects that option, that will be the return value. Okay. The template also gives you a choice that if you want an image URL along with the quick reply. So at times it is not only the choice text that is displayed, along with the text you have a small icon coming up or a URL. So for that particular image, you can display that image through the URL of that image, and in that situation you need to uncomment this section of your template and provide the URL of the image over here. Okay, so this way we can use the different templates that are available, provide your configuration as per your requirement and click on save. Now remember one thing, once again, it has to be for the web mobile client only. Now once you provide this, what I do is I say no, do not display list of values, because I don't want the default display of the list of values. I have enabled the display through a template. Okay, so let's see how it changes the output of that particular list of items entity. So I say open account. Okay, so now you see there is this is your quick replies template. So whatever you provide, these buttons will come up one beside the other. Okay, if you click on any one of these options, you will see the return value. You can come to entities and you will see the return value is whatever we have specified within our template. So this way what you can do is there are multiple templates that are available. So you can refer to our documentation. In this particular training, I'm going to refer to our documentation frequently because there are a whole lot of things that you need to refer to. So current version is 7.2 that we are using. And if you want to look into the different templates and how the coding of that template will look like, so you can refer to the message templates, and you will get a reference of all the templates that are supported by our platform. As developers, you can also build your custom template. So something that is not supported, but you can refer to our documentation to see the custom templates, how you can build the custom templates on our platform itself also. But all your templates has to be provided as a JavaScript coding. So you can see a reference over here in the documentation, not only the code, but how the output will look, that is also displayed in this particular document. Refer to this to go through the different types of templates that are available. So that was a small topic, something that we have done in our previous session also, but just a reiteration of whatever we had done earlier.